So topic 3, we're going to be looking at crowding out. This is quite a key sort of one that's a pretty important one with respect to the question. Again, linking everything I'm saying back to the question, crowding out is going to prove to be a very big example of actually there's actually a sweet spot, and this is sort of the key point. There's actually, um there is actually a sweet spot for so that's supposed to say spot. There's a sweet spot for optimal kind of um you know business expenditure, right? In the sense that we overspend, um if we were to overspend, we would potentially yeah, essentially, look, if we were to overspend, um, we may encounter a situation where prices in the private sector are forced upwards due to a spike in the demand side, right? That's the sort of key point, right? It comes from the demand side. And the reason why this is bad is because money, the reason why we say this is because, these expenditure projects offer, people jobs. People, sorry. Yeah, these expenditure projects offer people jobs and therefore, and therefore welfare. However, the counteract, the effect is counteracted by inflation, because inflation is inflation is a device that naturally erodes wealth, right? Inflation is a device that naturally erodes wealth and therefore will always will always diminish the potential benefits of successful business people spending and making money. It diminishes those benefits and makes it much harder in the economy to make this kind of profit, essentially, that could trickle down to to the poorer standard income workers in the economy, right? That's the key. That's the real key to this whole thing.